When you're in medical school, you either figure out if you're medical and you want to dole out medicines, or you're surgical and you want to get hands-on and fix things. And I was completely surgical. Plastic surgery was a unique combination between the two, though, where you really have to draw out of the patient the symptoms and the signs to come up with a diagnosis and deliver a medicine. In surgery, it's listening to the patient, and those symptoms and signs are their goals, their desires, their wants, and what they're really trying to accomplish. And if you take time and you pull all that out and you come to a really good diagnosis, you're a much better clinician. If you can come to the diagnosis better, your medicine that you deliver, being my surgical procedure, will be far more effective and on target. There are a lot of things that I gain from interacting with patients, and it mostly has to do with listening to them. And people come in very educated today, and they have good ideas of what they want to do, but it's the subtle nuances of what they say about how they want their face to look, or their body contouring to be accomplished, or why they're doing it. All of those things are really important clues when you're trying to do a procedure on someone. And so you look at that, you see what they're trying to accomplish, and you know how to modify the procedure in such a way that it gets to what they're trying to do. So it's a very goal-oriented, very patient-oriented type of practice. And I think that's what makes us very different. Today, there's so many different variations of procedures that you can accomplish for patients. So a lot of times when people come in and they're looking for body contouring, we'll talk about nutrition, and we'll talk about how to apply that nutrition and exercise, and whether they get a trainer or dietary supplementation, all kinds of things. And things that I would have never thought about, as plastic surgery 20 years ago, but is extremely important to every person that comes in here. And I think if you can help people and encourage them and lead them down the path of those, then their outcomes end up being much better.